Hey everyone! So today's video focuses on my New Year resolutions and really how I've been doing. While I was planning my New Year's resolutions, I stumbled across a website called the Whole Life Challenge. And the categories in the Whole Life Challenge really appealed to me. There's 7 categories to focus on. So it's nutrition, exercise, mobilize, which is stretching, hydration, well-being, reflect, and sleep. So the one that I wanted to tackle first out of the 7 categories was the well-being category. And something that had been driving me crazy was my master bedroom closet. It was very cluttered, very unorganized, and was just a huge source of anxiety. So this is my approach on how I decluttered the master bedroom closet. Stay tuned. So this was the closet. It was our master bedroom closet that I really wanted to organize. Looking at this old footage just gives me anxiety. We had never unpacked and we moved in May, and so there were boxes everywhere, plus way too much clothes. So what I did was I went through the closet and I basically organized everything and decluttered everything. And I had a couple rules. The first rule was if I didn't like it, it was gone. Second rule, if it didn't fit, gone. And then finally, the third rule was if I hadn't worn it recently, it was gone. I moved everything out. Just everything, threw it on my bed because it was the only way I could clean the closet. And that's what I did for 3 days. Notice the changes in my clothes, and it needed to be cleaned. The shelving was really scuffed up, so I took a magic eraser to it. I vacuumed the entire space. I vacuumed all of the shelving, and you could tell I was worn out. So this was kind of the after of the shelving and how it looked once I had just really scrubbed it down. I went through and added all of my items back in because I really wanted to personalize the space and just make it feel really nice and cozy. So the first shelf was some nail art there, a nightlight, and a pillow basket. The next one was all of my pushing items. The third shelf was accessories. The fourth shelf was my Erin Condren notebook, my water bottle, and all of my lovely Harry Potter items there. And then finally, the last shelf was just important documents and the first stuffed animal Ross got me. That is long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts arranged by color. Next were pants for work. And then finally, long dresses. And 10 points if you can spot a lot of LuLaRoe clothes in there. All right, guys, so what did you think? I hope it was helpful for you while you start your decluttering journey. For me, it was something I had to do because it was just a huge source of anxiety. It took about 3 days, and which I'm sure you noticed the different changes of outfits throughout the video. But now it's been a really unique experience for me because I will actually go in the closet and I immediately feel this sense of accomplishment. And I also feel very peaceful when I'm in there. I really enjoy it. I'll actually go in there and with a book and read. I actually do some of my stretching in there, which is part of the Whole Life Challenge. And people think that's crazy, but it's just been so nice and comforting, and it's a small space and it feels very warm and just very cozy, and I love it. So my husband probably thinks I'm insane that I'm stretching and doing yoga in our closet, which I am, but I really love it, and it's been really unique. And if I hadn't have done the wellness, the well-being challenge, I wouldn't have figured that out. So it was really great for me. So that was part 1 of my kind of whole life journey or New Year's resolution journey. And it was really successful. So the next videos I'm going to be focusing on are some of the different aspects of the Whole Life Challenge. I feel like conquered hydration, and that was something that was really difficult for me. So if you want to see more about the Whole Life Challenge, or if you want to see more about just kind of my journey, definitely hit like and subscribe. And hit the little bell, and that'll notify you of more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time. Boop, boop. Luna. Hi. Okay, sorry, go back to bed.